Hey, it's Alex here. Wanted to show off my new toy. Picked up this 2020 Kubota 1100C from a guy up in Idaho. We purchased it as you see it. It's been rolled, at least tipped on both sides. So we've got this front bumper. Here's a little pushed in just a little bit. You can see the doors have really taken the blunt of the blow. This thing is crinkled. See how the door matches up to the cab there. That's pretty jacked up. We got to replace this fender. As you can see, we got a crack that goes all the way through, and so I've got that here ready to go. We'll do that another day, but the bed is tilted and cockeyed, a little left to right. We're going to try to fix that today. And then coming over to this side, this door took a major hit. Obviously the mirrors got sheared right off. So we're gonna try to bring this 2020 Kubota back to life with the help of my friends who have more mechanical skills than I do, and either get it going for use at the cabin plowing snow, or get it going and flip it to another project. So that's what we're gonna try to accomplish. We're gonna have to replace a few things inside. You can see the seats are jacked, which if I end up keeping it, I can't live with that. So we got a few things we got to do to get it up to snuff, and we're going to try to tackle that today.
Alex and I are going to do 4 main things to assess the damage on the bed and frame. First, we're going to remove the bed hinge bolts on both sides. Second, we'll remove the cotter pin and larger locking pin that hold in the hydraulic ram to the bed. Then, we'll take the bed off and flip it over on its back. Last, we'll prep the subframe metal before we send it to our fabricator to get welded, along with the tabs to get bent back straight.
So Ty, this looks like a 17-inch millimeter, and I wonder, because we're gonna have to hold one side.
Oh, is there a bolt on the other side?
Yeah, so we're gonna have to hold. Another thing we can do, so this hydraulic bed doesn't crunch us in the head. There we go. That way we don't die. At least that broke free easy. Quicker. So we got the sets. Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks like we got I was gonna call it a set nut, but jam, I guess, is really what it is.
Let's see how big that really holds it on. I've got Alex on the other side holding that for me. I've got this first jam nut off.
Nice.
So there, we'll break the second. It's off easy. Perfect.
Nice. That's coming off easy. What I'm really hoping is this one will just push through and I don't have to twist it.
Perfect. Got our hardware here. This is our jam nut, so it goes on like that. Just keeps that from spinning off.
We've got a shield from the muffler, from the exhaust. So I think for this side, we're gonna probably have to do it all from below. Like,
Yeah.
Yep, you're on now.
Looks like it's too loose to load it. There you go.
With the Kubota 1100 series, it's basically a tractor with a cab on it.
Right.
It's definitely tractor technology all the way around.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can twist that off with my fingers now.
Close.
Now we're back to another sticky spot.
Yeah, hand me yours, because I can get both from down here.
I think I can spin off the second nut too. Yeah, if you'll take your wrench away off this side. Nice.
Squeeze this together. There we go.
Nice. Well, this will come right out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Should we pull it?
Sure. Yeah, go for it.
let me put that pin back in. You got the bed?
Yeah.
We'll use that pin to get it down.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna need the weight. Let it come down a little bit. Through. All right, clear?
Yep.
Awesome.
Lose your access.
Now I'm gonna release that. Ready?
Yep.
Sweet.
Go this way.
Sure.
Oh. I think we found the culprit. The right side.
All right, after we took the bed off, we discovered a couple of the welds have been fractured away from the main frame. So we're gonna re-weld those. And then once we got the bed off and flipped it on its stomach, or on its back, we realized that these frames on both sides have been bent. So we're gonna grind them off and have some new brackets fabricated that we can weld back on for us. All right, we got the Kubota back from the fabricator. He was able to get the subframe welded up for us, and in order to save us some money, he was able to bend the tabs on the dump bed back into place, or make them vertical. So we got it back from the fabricator, and hopefully everything will go great. On our next video, we're going to show the installation of the Demon 2-inch wheel spacers, and we got the new tires on as well. So look forward to that on our next video. Hope to see you.